Some floods immediately subsided in parts of Quezon Avenue in Quezon City following cleaning and declogging operations conducted by Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA Metro Parkways Clearing Group. Some two-layer trash traps installed by the MMDA along Asiana Redemptoris also proved effective. Tons of garbage are no longer in the waterways at the height of the rain. Although the agency continuously cleans waterways in various parts of Metro Manila, areas frequently flooded will still struggle if improper waste disposal continues repeatedly everywhere. That is why the MMDA accepted the proposal for a single ticketing system for improper waste disposal across different cities in Metro Manila.
I-consolidate po natin yung mga iba't ibang mga ordinansa ng mga LGUs po dito sa Metro Manila at i-reconcile din po natin yan sa mga batas na existing like Solid Waste Management Act, Clean Water Act para po maipon natin at siguro itatay up din po natin yan sa yun nga, yung proposal po ng or inisyatibo ng ating Pangulo na magkaroon po tayo ng waste to energy.
The MMDA will now convene a technical working group to start the initiative that will strengthen the discipline of our fellow countrymen when it comes to waste disposal. In addition to this, MMDA Chairperson Don Artes emphasized that it is important for cities to unite because everyone is affected if a problem arises in one of the waterways.
Comprehensive Drainage Master Plan. Dahil nakita nga po natin na sa volume po ng ulan, hindi na po talaga kayang i-accommodate ng ating mga drainages.
The MMDA will also intensify their monitoring through the CCTVs of the agency and local government units. A maximum fine of 5,000 pesos or imprisonment may be imposed on those caught in the act of throwing trash outside designated bins.
It's not just about increasing penalties, it's about a holistic approach in terms of yung mindset ng ating mga mamamayan. Kinakailangan talaga merong proper indoctrination mula sa ating mga kabataan, sa mga paaralan, hanggang sa mga matatanda.
The MMDA repeatedly reminds that in fighting floods in the country, simple compliance and cooperation with regulations are needed. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.